Here's a quick demo of the AKS GFIS 3D Imagine Scanner. This is the smallest scanner in the world. Let's open the scanner and launch the AKS application.
Okay.
We get a warranty for 3 years. Let's connect. And it's already connected. Bluetooth is connected. And now let's start performing a simple gold scan. We put gold inside a metal box, and then we'll see whether it finds it or not.
Okay.
That's why we want to identify the gold inside the metal box.
Excellent.
You can see if I press scan. You will get this and scan.
Okay.
Now let's bring the tablet closer and scan the gold. And let's see what we have. Awesome. We have found gold. You can see it. Thus, the GFIS 3D technology identified gold inside a metal box.